What's up YouTube? This is Hamza with everythingAF. Today I'm going to show you how we can warm up frozen parathas in the air fryer. You're gonna be amazed with what it looks like. So it just starts off with this flat bread, and it's gonna look really nice. Let's get to it. Looks like it's a perfect fit. And I'm not going to put any oil or any spray on it. Usually when I do it on the pan, I have to put some sort of cooking spray. I'm going to set it for 6 minutes. And 360 Fahrenheit should be fine. Okay, we'll come back in 6 minutes. Looks like our 6 minutes just ended. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my goodness. That thing is beautiful. Another thing I love about the air fryer is that now I can put one more in while I go enjoy this one. And I don't even have to worry about looking at it on the stove to see if it was done or not. And there we go. And we are ready to enjoy our frozen parathas cooked in air fryer. Thanks for tuning into everythingAF. Catch you in the next one.